How to use Basecamp project management made easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you around basecamp.com and we'll figure out what are the different features we get in Basecamp to manage our team and projects better and get more productive. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to basecamp.com and you will land on this platform right here. Basecamp is all-in-one platform with a lot of different features to help us create our amazing workspace. We can do project management and we can also get the automation options, and we have different tools to help us run a successful small team. So how to get started with Basecamp? When you simply come to this platform, you will find the option of try it out for free right here. So I will simply click right here and then simply sign up for Basecamp, and then we will be able to do project management. So we can try Basecamp for 30 days for free. All I have to do is simply add my name right here and then simply add my email address. Now I have to set up a reasonable password for my Basecamp. Now we just have to add a few things to set up our account. So we have to add our company name and my job title. So I'm going to go ahead and add how to global. Then we're going to go for a job title, which is going to be marketing. Then we have, do you have any of these teams at your company? We have marketing and we have managers as well. So I'm going to check these and click on next. Got any of these projects going on right now? Okay, let's just go with redesigning a website, or no, okay, let's go with launching a new product. Which product? So let's just say that it's a software, and then I'm gonna click on next. Want to invite partner? So what I have to do is I will simply add an email address right here, and now click on all done, and then it will simply take us to the dashboard for our Basecamp. And there you go guys, we have our own dashboard on Basecamp. It literally takes 1 minute to sign up, and the signing up process was really easy. So you can see right here, this is the company name that I added, and we have another project option. So we have all of these different options already created for us. Then we have the home right here. Right now I am on home. Then we have lineup. We have pings. Pings simply means messaging at your inbox. Then we have hey option. Then we have activity, my stuff, and then find option. So this is like Basecamp, and the theme of this a platform is like a camping, and we have like home, we have lineups, and we have pings. So this is like really creative and fun platform to work on. We also have our own calendar, and then we also have the assignment option. So let me show you all of the features one by one so you have an idea. So this is the home, and in home we have our logo right here. We have the company name. So let's say I want to add another project, or I want to add another team. So I will simply click right here, and then I will be able to add another project or a team. So let me show you how you can add a project. Simply click on make a project. So now I have to give my project a name. Let's say that this project is going to be about tutorial videos. There you go. Now I have to add a description. So for now, I'm just gonna write the word description, and not gonna write anything, complicated. Simply click on create this project, and your new project will be created within this workspace on Basecamp. So you can see right here, this is my new project right here, tutorial videos. This is the description. Now, if I want to invite people, I will simply click on invite, and I will add their email address. This is my message board. This is my to-do list. This is my document and file. We have campfire. Campfire is like, for a casual chat. Then we have a schedule. Then we have automatic check-ins. Let's go to to-dos, and let's add few tasks, and let's check out how the to-do, where you add different tasks into your project. How does this work? So this is my list of to-dos. So what I can do is I can simply go ahead and name this list. First, I will add a list. Let's go with a list where I want to add the content. I'm going to click on add this list right here, and it will be added. There you go. So now I can add another list if I want to. or I can add a description for this list that I have created. This is like content creation. Okay. So now what is going to happen is I'm going to add a description and it is going to be creating videos. Okay. So now I have added this task right here, creating videos. I can add another one. Then if I click right here, you will be able to see that it has been saved, and within a task that you have added, for example, this is my first task, and you can see I can open it up and I will be able to check out the assigned option right here, like to whom it was assigned. Then we have when done, notify, due date, and notes as well. So this is how it works on Basecamp. You simply create a list, and within a list you will add different tasks, and with each task you can add different details. So this is the simple way of adding task. I will simply click on enter and it will be saved. We also get the options from here, like click on these three dots. We have edit, move, copy, put in trash, bookmark, don't forget, and sending this to somebody, or view, change log. If you want to kind of like get access to all of the features, they are shown right here. So now let's go back and let me also show you a few of the other features we get within our Basecamp. So you can see right here in to-dos, now I have my list right here that I created. Similarly, I can go to message board, I can go to campfire. So message board is like for announcements and to pitch ideas, and then campfire is like chatting casually within your team and to discuss random stuff. Then we have schedule, of course, where I can also add my Google Calendar to help me schedule my meetings and schedule my different projects. Then we have lineup. Let's check out lineup and let's see what we get in the lineup. Then we have pings. Pings is again the inbox that we get. So in the lineup, what happens is that it's a brand new feature introduced on our Basecamp. So what happens is this is the calendar view where you will be able to check out your upcoming task. Lineup simply means your upcoming task. Then we have activity that will show you your activity. What have you been doing? What are the different tasks that are done? What is your latest activity that you have done? And you will be able to check it out right here. Then you have my stuff. This is like a personal board that you will get in my staff. You will be able to get the my assignments, and this is just for you and for your personal use, and any tasks that are assigned to you will be shown right here. And then we have the find option. So these are the different options we get within our Basecamp. Pretty easy platform with a lot of different features to help us manage our team and to help us create an amazing workspace to work on. If you want to check out Basecamp, simply go to basecamp.com and you can sign up with Basecamp and start managing your team right now. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use basecamp.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.